therefore.
No comment.
Mr. President, education is in crisis. We have had multiple conversations in the Senate for which I don't need to repeat.
Right.
But when the World Bank suggests that after 17 years of exposure, the average Jamaican student has a representation of approximately 11 years of effective education. And the latest report that we have seen suggests that only 18% of Jamaican students leaving high school achieved 5 subjects, including math and English. That 5 subject, including math and English, is tantamount to what would be the GED in the, and let me pause to recognize some 40s in the house as well. I see some eyes open on from the president himself. It sounds crazy. But 10% of 36,000 is 3,600. 20% therefore is 2 times 3,600, that would be 7,200. If the ministry's report that only 18% is getting 5 subjects, including math and English, it would suggest that that 18 is less than 20, which is less than 7,200. Those are the numbers that we have before us. It will therefore suggest that from this 36,000, approximately 28,000 have not achieved a GED each year. And if that's the reality each year, then it means that within 10 years, 280,000, and of our most effective working age 20 to 40, in that 20 years, we'll have over 500,000 not having a GED. The United States would never, I will not be delayed on such important document with banter today. However, Mr. President, there is in front of us a partisan report that we still have not tabled in the Parliament.
That's right.
It could not be that this report is so important for implementation, and yet there's not been a parliamentary debate for different representatives of different interests to suggest what they believe of the 365 recommendations. Indeed, Mr. President, the RJR News just yesterday reported the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Dr. Mark Smith, voiced concerns about the country's capacity to fund implementation of the recommendations of the Jamaica Education Transformation Commission's report. Mr. President, there's no wonder that there's such anxiety among the stakeholders. Indeed, ETOC, which my colleague is mentioning, have suggested that at current 7 reported completed items of the 365.
7.
Within this 7, Mr. President, I'm quoting, one of the completed tasks is, and I quote, requesting approval for increased budget to support in-service training of early childhood practitioners, end quote.